No matter where you live, climate change is increasingly manifesting in our lives. Recently, extreme weather in Australia and throughout the globe has made this clear. These phenomena pose an increasing risk to business and society at large. Better understanding climate data is therefore key for today's businesses and governments to effectively navigate the uncertainty posed by climate change. Today, thanks to orbiting satellites and ground-based sensors, more data is being generated about the Earth's climate processes than ever before. But accessing this information and leveraging it to derive powerful insights is still often prohibitively expensive. Hysea Analytics is aiming to change this, reducing the costs and barriers to entry for quality climate data visualization. Having started out at the National Computing Infrastructure at the ANU, Hysea realized the limitations of on-premises data storage and compute. Instead, Hysea now leverages the economies of scale offered by the cloud, hosting data storage and performing computations in Google Cloud Platform. Whilst Hysea's backend is relatively mature, it is currently lacking a unified frontend for customers to log in and quickly access datasets at a glance. Currently, significant overhead goes into producing bespoke dashboards for Hysea's customers. This semester's project aimed to solve this problem. Over the last few months, building off last semester's work, we've deepened our exploration into Hysea's Terrakio dataset with Flutter and Firebase to produce a web application with a streamlined user interface. The app leverages the Leaflet framework to display data in map overlay and graph formats. Users will be able to retrieve and browse open source datasets in an intuitive fashion. Additionally, proper frameworks are in place to extend this to access-controlled datasets in future iterations of the project. The app also features user sign-in and account management functionality to streamline the onboarding and management of new users, enabling customers to quickly begin accessing powerful climate insights. Private industry and governments alike are now waking to the importance of achieving emission reductions. There is a renewed need for accurate and reliable climate modelling. Access to high-quality insights will inform better decision-making. The Australian federal government, for instance, is now considering a bill to pledge net zero emissions by 2050, with all states and territories having already committed to net zero by 2050 or earlier. Our proof of concept application moves Hysea Analytics closer to its vision of enabling customers to quickly access climate data visualizations at a cost-effective price point. To find out more about Hysea and to realize the transformative potential of climate data visualizations for your work, visit hysea.com.au.